Let's talk about the most unique and innovative ingredient that we use in all Nature's Protection line. It's called MZG. So what is so special about the MZG? First of all, let's talk about the source. What is it? Actually, it is a volcanic rock, which is called Clinoptilolite. And this Clinoptilolite has a lot of benefits and properties and applicable for the human use. So what's so special about the Clinoptilolite? Actually, it's a special molecule, the structure of the molecule. That molecule can help to catch the toxins, heavy metals, ammonia, pathogenic bacteria, lock it into the molecule and remove it from the body through the feces. I was telling that Clinoptilolite is a volcanic rock. So you can imagine that in order to use it in the food production, we should have it as a powder. So actually there are two ways how to make a powder of the mineral in the mine. First, you can mill it, which is actually cheap and very easy way to do it. But the problem of the milling is that you destroy the structure of the molecule, the special cage structure which catches the toxins, heavy metals, ammonia, locks it and removes it from the body. So we were trying to find out how we can use it in the food and maintain all the benefits and advantages of that particular mineral. So we were working with the scientists and they created a special machine which is called dynamic micronization, and it helps Clinoptilolite to make into the micro particles and maintain the structure of the molecule. So the process itself as dynamic micronization is very unique and actually helps us to increase and strengthen all the benefits of the natural Clinoptilolite by more than 50%. And that mineral, micronized Clinoptilolite, we are using in our food and call it MZG. So let's talk about the main benefits of MZG for the dogs and cats. First of all is detox, because the Clinoptilolite can remove the toxins, heavy metals, and ammonia, as I mentioned before, detoxifying the body. The second, it brings a positive impact, positive effect for the dog and cat. How did they do that? When they remove the toxins, they remove the heavy metals, they make the body more clear and more clean. When the body is not intoxicated, clean, immune system automatically is boosted. So it has very beneficial impact for the immune system. Also, it helps to absorb the nutrients, which we get it from the food. So in terms that we compare with the other foods for the dogs and cats, with the MZG inside, we can assure that nutrients would be absorbed better comparing to the other ones because we make the body clean. And the third point is a silicium. And silicium is a part of the molecule of MZG, and silicium is very effective in order stimulating the skin and coat, because silicium stimulates the collagen synthesis and elastin synthesis. So it's very good for the skin, and when the skin is healthy, the fur which is growing out of the skin is also strong, shiny, and glossy. Also, the last research shows that the glucosamine and chondroitin, if you want to use it for the large breed dogs and want to make it more effective, you need to have the silicium inside. Only silicium makes the bond, kind of the matrix with the glucosamine and chondroitin, and then the lubricates the joints. So it's very additional benefit comparing with the other regular foods, because everybody has a glucosamine and chondroitin, but if we want to make it effective, we have to have silicium, and silicium is there. So let's talk from the selling point of view. If we talk about the MZG for the cat owner, for him, what is the most important thing? Let's talk about the detoxification of the body, and also let's talk about the skin and coat, because all the cat owners, they care about the skin and coat whenever the cat breed is. If we talk with the owner who has the small breed dog, for the small breed dog, of course, it's very important detoxification that we should highlight, but also the absorption of the nutrients and immune system, because the more little the dog, the more owner taking care of him and think that his immune system should be boosted in one way or another. So let's use the MZG as a selling point to convince the end customer to try our product. And if you talk with the owner who has a large or medium breed dog, he will be probably looking the product which will have the glucosamine and chondroitin, and that's right. But when you come and would like to offer a Nature's Protection, the selling point is supposed to be, yes, we have the product with the glucosamine and chondroitin, but we have the silicium inside, which helps to make the effectiveness of the glucosamine and chondroitin and really lubricate the joint, making the matrix all together. Also, of course, don't forget about detoxification, and remember that silicium is very good for stimulation of the tissue formation. So if you would ask yourself, is Nature's Protection a single product which has this natural, innovative and unique ingredient inside which brings a lot of benefits for your pets? The answer is yes.